Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to explore what is Python and why we need it, installing and setting the IDE of Python and writing our first Python program. Okay, what is Python? Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It's a high-level object-oriented programming language. Why we need it? Why we need Python? Python is the easiest programming language to learn. It's widely used in various fields such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, deep learning, game development, and more. Okay guys, let's install Python. Open your browser and search for PyCharm download like this. Then search for it and you will see the link download PyCharm, the Python IDE for data science and web development. Click for it. You will see this page and if you are using Mac OS then click for here like this. If you are using Linux then go for this. I am going with Windows. Okay, and then you will see this PyCharm Professional Edition. This is the paid version, so if you are interested in paid versions IDE then you can go for this download. I am using with community version, so scroll down and you will see PyCharm Community Edition. This I am gonna install. Yeah, free and built in open source. Okay, let's click for download and you will see the download is going on. Okay guys, our Python Community Edition has been successfully downloaded. Now install for it. Clicking. It may ask like this: do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Yes. Then click for next. Then click for next. It may ask, please select an empty folder. Okay. Browse. Make a new folder. Give a name Python. It's your options. So yes. Then okay, then click next, then create a desktop shortcut. Okay, upload context menu. Okay, then create association.py. Okay, then click next, then click install. It may take time, so after completion I will return. Okay guys, look at this. Here we get completing PyCharm Community Edition setup. PyCharm Community Edition has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close setups. Okay, click for some. Okay guys, let's done our first Python program. So I am clicking the Python Community Edition and you will see this interface. Welcome to PyCharm. Create a new project to start from scratch. Okay, so I am clicking new project. Name your project. So I'm giving Python tutorials. Okay, and then create. Okay, then wait for it. Let's click on your Python tutorials and right click, click new and Python file. Name has mine. Click for it and type print, set up parentheses, double quotes, hello world, and click this play button. You will see hello world. We are completed successfully our first Python program. Thank you.